Want to print parameter-wise details in your invoices? Busy lets you do it in just a few easy steps. Head to Administration, Configuration, Features or Options. Under the Inventory tab, enable parameter-wise details and enter the parameter names you want to display, such as size and color. Next, go to Invoice Document Printing. Open the standard options and select the voucher type for which you want to show parameter details. Now, move to References, Group Summary Printing Configuration and choose Parameter Stock Details Printing Configuration. Select the parameter values you'd like to include on your invoices. Once done, create and save a sales invoice and you'll see the selected parameter values neatly printed on the bill. Printing parameter-wise details made simple with Busy.